In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting with QuickBooks, crafting a proper sales receipt is essential for managing your business finances efficiently. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. First things first, after logging into your QuickBooks Online account, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the New button. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will appear, displaying various options. From these, you'll want to select Sales Receipt. This is your entry point for establishing a clear financial record of the sale you've just completed. Now, let's move on to inputting the customer's information. QuickBooks makes this straightforward. Entering the customer's name will associate the receipt with their personal or business account in your system. This linkage ensures that you maintain organized and easily accessible records for each individual or company you're doing business with. Next, it's time to specify the payment method. From the drop-down menu, choose the option that reflects how your customer paid. Whether it was by credit card, cash, check, or any other method, selecting the correct option here is crucial. It not only helps in accurate record keeping, but also aids in identifying trends in how your customers prefer to pay. Once you've selected the appropriate payment method, the next step involves choosing where to deposit the received funds. QuickBooks will offer different accounts where these funds can be allocated. This could be your checking account, a savings account, or any other designated deposit location. Being diligent in this step is essential for maintaining balanced accounts and ensuring the money is directed to the correct destination within your workflow. Having settled those preliminary details, it's time to move on to the products and services you've provided. Enter each item sold to the customer along with the respective nuances such as quantity and price. This step ensures that the sales receipt reflects the goods or services rendered accurately. After double-checking that all the necessary information has been entered correctly, if everything looks good, you're ready to move to the final step. Click on Save and Send. QuickBooks will automatically save the receipt in your records and, if configured, send it to your customer via email. This not only confirms the transaction with them, but also keeps everyone up to date and on the same page. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. Handling your business transactions accurately with QuickBooks empowers you to manage your finances with ease and confidence. Happy bookkeeping!